You have arrived. You have arrived. I mean, you've arrived. Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I shape, fill, and clean up my brows. So if you enjoy today's brow video, please hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's jump right into cleaning up and shaping and filling these brows. Okay, my friends, we're gonna get a little close-up look right here, and I want to show you guys how I destroyed my brows after high school. So I got like plug happy, and I'm having a really hard time right in here for my hairs to grow back, and I've even been using like some brow growth, but it'll get there, so we shall see. Now, the first step that I like to take when I am fixing up my brows, when I'm really shaping them, I'm going to brush up the brow so it looks a little something like this. Then I grab a pair of scissors. I also have a really teeny tiny pair that I use. They weren't right there near me, so these scissors also work as well. Now, I'm making sure when I clip the hairs, I don't go too high. I'm kind of following my natural line of my brows. And then right here, I just brush away any of the extra hairs, and of course you can trim more as needed. I like to use a really tiny brow pencil, so I'm picking up this one from NYX. It's their micro brow pencil. I also really like one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, their Brow Wiz. So here I'm just kind of like sketching out and mapping out where I want my brow to go. So it's like outlining the brow. Once I have it all shaped and lined and it's really good to go here, I'm going to start filling it in with the brow pencil. So then I just start to go a little bit heavier with my hand and start kind of coloring in. But of course with this, you want to stay in the lines. And it should look a little something like this. And then once that's complete, I like to move on to some powder. Now the brow powder duo that I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is dark brown. It has two shades, a lighter brown and a darker brown. So the lighter shade, I keep it to the inner portion of my brow and the tail, and then the arch there, I like to use the darker color. Then I'll just kind of form the end a little so it's really nice and pointy. And look at that difference, guys. Look how, when I have my brows penciled, how much it lifts it up. I like it. Now to the tweezing. So just picking up your favorite pair, or just, you know, a pair of tweezers that works well for you, and get rid of those hairs. So I find when I make my brow, I pencil in, I shape it, and it's there, I can go ahead and just start getting rid of all the hairs around it, so I don't end up taking too much off, especially since I have to hold on to every brow hair I got. Now it is time to move on to the second eye. So you know the drill. We're going to brush up on these hairs. We're going to trim them up with those scissors, and then you're going to kind of map out where you want your brow to go and then fill everything in. Then you're going to move on to the powder. So this also kind of sets it. And then once that's nice and set, the brow's nice and pointy, begin removing those hairs. Last step, my favorite, the brow gel. I like to brush the brows up in the inner portion, and then they go up and over in the arch, and then of course brush them down all the way to the end of the tail. And this is it, guys. This is how I create my brows. This is how I magically make my brows appear on my face. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me and checking out today's video. I hope that all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, that you will come back next Monday and join me for another video. Take care. I think I'm ready. Don't crack your knuckles. I've just done it like 10 times. How come I can't remember what I want to say? Sometimes it's like, where does the brow stop and where does the hairline start?